Hi everyone, in this video I am going to fix Windows Update related errors like unable to check for new update, failed update or stuck at downloading updates. Before we begin, if you are new to this channel, be sure to subscribe for more content like this. So let's begin. First, check that your network is good, no firewall setting is blocking your connection. If you have installed some custom firewall app, then check your internet connection setting. Make sure your connection, whether it's a Wi-Fi or Ethernet, make sure it's set to non-metered connection. After checking the settings, if the issue still persists, now proceed to Windows Troubleshooting page. And select Windows Update from here to automatically fix any Windows Update related issues. Also, it's a good idea to troubleshoot your internet connectivity from here as well. That's it. Comment below if you still need help fixing your issue. I'll see you in the next video.